Good day and thank you for watching. I'm Teacher Ryan, and in this video I'm going to share with you a shortcut that can help you in solving math problems in different math areas. So this shortcut takes the form of an equation with a term on the left side, say it's x, and that is equal to y over z. So we have two components here. At the left side of the equation we have a single term, and at the left side a single term but in a fraction form. So if this is the form of the expression or of the equation that you have, there is a shortcut in solving for the different unknowns that you can find in this equation. So say you're looking uh, for either y or z, then this shortcut can work for you. Now I call this shortcut as the switch or the swap shortcut. Okay, so how to go about this? So first, if we are looking for the variable z, we just need to switch x and z. So we just need to switch the position of x and z. So if we do that, we will have z is equal to y over x. And actually, this is now the solution for z. If we are looking for the variable z or the variable y, in this case, I'll be moving z to the way of x. So to do that, I'll simply cross z, and I will not be switching x and z. I will just be moving z towards x. So what happens is I will have x, and I will be multiplying z, since that is crossing, and that's equal to y. And because this is an equation, I can just move y to the other side and also move x and z to the other side. So I can have y is equal to xz. So in this format, I already have the solution for y. Y is simply equal to the product of x and z. Let's take an example in algebra. Say we have an equation x minus x sub 1 is equal to y minus y sub 1 all over m. Now if we are looking for m in this equation, using the switch or the swap shortcut, I will just be switching m and the expression at the left side. So to do that, I'll be having m on the left side, taking the place of x minus x sub 1, and I'll equate m to y minus y sub 1 all over x minus x sub 1. Now in this case, this is already the solution for m, and it took me just one step to do it. If I have this example, a trigonometric equation with a fraction at the left side, say 1, this is 1 minus sine squared x over cosine squared x, all equal to 1, and I need to solve for sine squared or even for sine x. So step 1 is to switch cosine squared and 1. So I will have 1 minus sine squared x over 1, now it's over 1 because I'm switching, equal to cosine squared x. Now over 1 simply means that I can have this only 1 minus sine squared without the over 1. Now after this, I can transpose 1 to the right side of the equation, uh, beside cosine squared. So I will be left with negative sine squared x is equal to cosine squared x, and since I'm transposing 1, I will get negative or minus 1. And in this form, I only need one more step, which is uh, to negate the left and the right side of the equation. Negating means I will be multiplying all by negative 1. So negative 1 here. If I multiply everything by negative 1, sine squared becomes positive. So I will have positive sine squared x is equal to, I will have positive 1, and I will have minus or negative cosine squared x. And this is it. I already have the solution or the value of sine squared x, which is equal to 1 minus cosine squared x. Now, this shortcut appears in many uh, problems in mathematics. And if you are skilled or familiar with this, you can solve the basic to the advanced mathematics. So here, in this format, we have a whole number at the left side and a fraction at the right side. That's x is equal to y over z. And for speed, we have speed is equal to distance over time. And finally, here, a trigonometric function, tangent is equal to sine over cosine. All of this can be solved easily if you know the swap or the switch shortcut. So I hope you learned something from today's shortcut. And until then, see you and God bless us.